Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video I'll show you how to use free learn Japanese hiragana that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running, and I have searched free learn Japanese hiragana. Then you'll have this list, so select the first one. And before we install this app, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So rich content, you can practice of Hiragana, Katakana, and Dakuon, and you can check your skills from the test. Writing practice, you'll be study, and if you're writing and listening. So writing practice, you'll be able to practice writing by strokes. And card practice, you can see the pictures and listen to the pronunciation. You can pleasantly learn the Hiragana and Katakana. And also test, if you study the handwriting practice and card practice, you can check your skills from pronunciation test and word test. And challenge the world record, you can be a challenger, and so on. So let's go back and install it now. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that for those who want to learn Japanese, mastering Hiragana and Katakana is the first step and most important. Hiragana and Katakana are the basic alphabets of Japanese based on phonetic characters that represent vowels and consonants. Hiragana and Katakana each contains 46 characters and their pronunciation is the same. However, they each have different applications in writing. So when you open this app, you will be able to choose either practice or test. And if you want to learn the proper use of Hiragana and Katakana, it will not only improve your comprehension of the Japanese language, but also deepen your understanding of Japanese culture. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. And here it is. So you'll have to sign in using your email. Let me try to skip this part. Does not sign in. So you cannot use some of the features if you don't log in. Agree. So this is the interface. Let's start and select Japanese. So practice Hiragana and Katakana. Let's start with Hiragana. So there. Writing practice. So there you'll be guided on how to properly write A. So the strokes should start from here to there, and this one to here. So it's going to be 3 strokes, just like that. And you will also see these buttons below. So this one is where you can listen and how to pronounce this alphabet. This one is where you're going to erase it, and this one where you can see an example there. So close, then proceed to the next one. So E. So practice writing. So E, Ichigo can be used in a word. This one here is where you can adjust the volume. So let me just go back, and this one is, would you like to return to the menu? Yes. Okay, so since I already know Hiragana and Katakana, I'm not going to complete this writing practice. This one, unlock your handwriting practice more than half. Alright, so if you want to unlock some of the choices in here, or some of the options in here, you have to complete the starting level, which is the practice. So you don't have a choice, you have to complete this task first before you can unlock the other parts. This one here is a flashcard. You do not have enough points. Okay, so it needs to have a coin for this to be unlocked. So we don't have a choice but to start from here again. So that's how you write it. There, just like that. So this one is really easy for me since I already know the basics. I already memorized this. Let me just proceed to the next one, and so on. So you notice that I have already 120 coins. Let's try to return to the menu and unlock the other parts. Alright, so this one here requires 4,000 coins. This one is 2,000 coins. So you have to complete the Hiragana and Katakana first before you can unlock this one. So I already have 120. That's not enough to open the other options. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use. Okay, you just have to click the start and then choose, select the language that you want to practice, Hiragana or Katakana, and then start from Katakana, then Dakuon, and then Yuon. So this one, there's a pop-up message that says please unlock your Katakana handwriting practice more than half so that you can access this. So it's going to take for a while if I'm going to continue, if I'm going to complete the Katakana, so I'm not going to do that. But on your end, if you're still a beginner, I highly suggest that you have this application with you so that you can practice writing. For those who want to learn Japanese, mastering Hiragana and Katakana is the first and most important thing to do. So once you're good with this, then you can proceed to more advanced, which is kanji, and memorize it, use it in a sentence, and write your own sentences so that you will become fluent in Japanese. So that's how you use this application. It's really easy to use and very convenient. So I hope that you have learned something for today, and thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.